The Russian propagandists are mad and angry for their Marines' catastrophe at Vuhledar, where hundreds of soldiers are killed and wounded and more than 30 armored vehicles are destroyed. The Grey Zone threatens death to Rustam Muradov, the Eastern Military District commander who they say is responsible for the Vuhledar Marines' catastrophe, adding that the commander of the 14th Brigade of Special Forces was killed in the battle. And it's hunt season for Russians all year in Ukraine. Fire adjustment is carried out from the Ukrainian drone Lelika. Eight Russian soldiers were in a house which got struck. But instead of spreading out, they all run to next house, together, almost hand in hand. You don't have to be Nostradamus to guess what happened next. At this point, this is pure slapstick. And this is luxury Ukrainian trench and bunker system. I wonder if they can have girls there? Real patriots of Russia. 18 pregnant Russian women were detained at the airport of Buenos Aires, Argentina. They were accused of false tourism, an attempt to come to the country for the sake of giving birth to a child, who will thus automatically receive local citizenship.
Вот. С детьми совсем.
Ждем дельных советов.
Да, спасибо за советы, поднимаем шумиху.
Javelins for jabs. Estonian Prime Minister Kallas proposes to buy weapons for Ukraine under the vaccine scheme. European countries will allocate funds, EU Commission will purchase, and then equipment will be sent directly to Ukraine.
Very important that we speed up the military aid to Ukraine. I think that all of us have looked to the warehouses, what we have, but we should do more, and we should give a clear signal to European defense industry to produce more. And I was thinking that maybe we could use a similar mechanism like we did with the vaccines, so that the European countries will provide funds, European Commission will procure, and then it will be sent directly to Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.